There is a space within you, silent, infinite, unshaken, a place beyond thought, beyond distraction, beyond the restless pull of the world.
For centuries, seekers have turned inward, not to escape, but to awaken.
This is more than a training. It's a path, a practice, a way of being. Whether you are a yoga teacher, a leader, or simply here to deepen your practice, this journey will change you.
With more than 45 lectures and over 50 guided meditations and corresponding meditation scripts, plus a comprehensive digital downloadable manual full of powerful insights, you'll walk away from this training being able to facilitate the practices of mindfulness meditation, the many practices of compassion and self-compassion, Vedic styles of practice, and more with confidence.
You will explore the ancient wisdom teachings, modern science, and the timeless practices of stillness. You will train not just in knowledge, but in direct experience.
Because meditation isn't something you explain, it's something you embody.
No rush, no deadline, just a steady unfolding, one breath, one lesson, and one insight at a time.
In the end, meditation will no longer be something that you do. It'll be who you are.
The journey begins now. Are you ready?